Guys, I'm here on Passaic River, New Jersey. I'm fishing with worm, and so far I cast catfish and 4 white perch. And earlier I cast a striped bass. So later I can put pictures on YouTube. So yeah. Okay, stay tuned. Let's see what's going on. I just cast again, so they bite pretty quick. I'm recording with my phone, so sorry for the maybe move too much, but right now this is what I got. So hopefully, I hope you guys catch it, the bite right there, guys. Right there, guys. There's another bite. Yeah, got it. Got it, guys. Let's see what it is. I think it's a white perch. Let's see. It's a small. It's not getting too much fight. Yeah, it's so small. Yeah. It's a white perch, guys. Look. White perch. Small white perch. Okay, guys. I'll go take this from the hook. Stay tuned. See you later. Bye.